Hey, what's going on, guys? It's finally here. This is the universal truck bed drawers from Tuffy. If you're not familiar with Tuffy, they make extremely hardcore security drawers and boxes for all sorts of vehicles. Obviously, the name of their company is Tuffy, and that kind of describes their boxes. In fact, so much so that they're used by the FBI and law enforcement all over the country. They're just a trusted brand made here in the USA. And I personally cannot wait to open this box and put these drawers to the test. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. I've been in your waters. So first things first, we need to remove the drawers from the enclosure. We need to pull out each drawer until it stops, then you lift up the front of the drawer and pull it out the rest of the way. Just like any drawer that you've had to remove from an enclosure, it wasn't too difficult. However, they do recommend at least 2 people. The drawer should always be empty before removing them, and constant support should be applied to hold up the front of the drawers throughout the entire removal process so it does not cause any injury or damage. As you can see here, underneath the enclosure, there are 6 holes on each side of the box. We're going to use those holes to mount the box to the truck bed. I do have some tips for deciding the exact position you want to place your drawers. Don't forget that the handle is about 2 inches, so you want to give yourself enough room that you can close your tailgate. I then decided where the center of my truck was. It was the 7th mark on my truck bed, and I lined that up with the center column. So I was able to make sure that it was nice and symmetrical right in the middle and 4 inches back from side to side. And this is a great time to now crawl under your truck and orient yourself to where you're going to be drilling those holes. Make sure you're not drilling into anything important like your gas tank or your exhaust parts. It might also be a good idea to do a practice run. I tested my drawers just to make sure everything would fit, and I came across a little hiccup. My drawers wouldn't close. I was getting stuck on my tailgate. So I need to add some risers. I went to Amazon and I just purchased these pre-drilled spacers. They're 3/16 of an inch and it has the correct holes so that I can just add these risers and lift up my box so that when I open and close the drawers, they won't touch my tailgate. Once you have your box in the desired location and you know the drawers will open and close, let's go ahead and get ready for drilling by marking the holes. We're going to use a 3/8 of an inch drill bit. I had this high heat ceramic coating rattle can in my garage. It's supposed to prevent rust, so I went ahead and sprayed that underneath the truck, but they do recommend using a silicone sealant on any drilled holes to prevent rust. In the next step, we're going to take the hardware that was provided and we're going to take the bolt and a washer and place it through the drawer enclosure, and then in my case through the spacers, and then through the truck bed, and then finally another washer and another lock nut. Well guys, I'm extremely satisfied with the Tuffy drawers and I'm super excited to take them out camping and test it overlanding. That's the real reason I got these drawers. As you can see, I'm going to put my camping gear inside them. I'm going to have it always ready to go, so that way if I have a weekend where I'm off and I can go camping, everything's already stored, ready to go in my drawers. This is the ultimate way to prepare and store things in an organized way if you're someone that overlands or is out camping a lot on the weekends. These drawers are going to be perfect for what I need. As you can see, I installed this by myself. I definitely recommend bringing somebody with you or using a second person to help you lift. These drawers are heavy. That being said, they are heavy because they're extremely durable. They're very heavy steel, premium quality materials, and these things are built to last. They are literally bomb-proof, and they will survive any zombie apocalypse, anything that you throw at them. And one other thing that I didn't mention in the video earlier, it does come with keys. You can lock these drawers. As you saw, this has a heavy-duty lock on it as well. So this is another way to keep things secure in the bed of your truck, and another way to lock it and keep it safe. I will continue to update you guys as I continue to use these drawers. Check the comments below, ask questions about it, and I will let you know. And also I will leave a link in the description below on where you can purchase these drawers. Make sure to give Tuffy Drawers a visit on their website. They have a ton of drawers on their website, not just for your truck bed, but inside your cabin, under your seat, consoles. So make sure to check them out. And lastly, thank you for watching the video. If you made it this far, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will remind you as usual, get outside, stay hydrated, and keep on moving.